guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's Whitney here. So last week I uploaded this entire detailed video of how you can film high quality content using just your smartphone for your YouTube channel or your business. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can edit and render high quality videos on your smartphone. So if that is something that catches your fancy, then let me roll in that intro and get straight into the video. Let's roll up the sleeves because this is gonna be a long, detailed video, okay? So before I even jump straight into the editing part, we obviously need some footage to work with. So let me quickly film some footage. Just for demonstrational purposes, I'm gonna be talking about this Maybelline lipstick right here for a hot minute. So yeah, let me pop up my phone and get on my tripod and start filming. So now that we have our footage, let's hop into the editing part. Now, if you are an iOS user, then you probably have this app pre-installed on your phone called iMovie. This is what the icon looks like. But in case you don't have that, I'm going to recommend a really good app that's applicable to iOS users and Android users that works really well and just magic, honestly. And this app is called Pocket Video. All you have to do to get this app is go on to your phone like so, type in Pocket Video. It should pop up, and right there it has this icon right here. And I already have it pre-installed, so I'm just going to open it. When you do click on the app does tell you how much of free space you have available. You do want to click on the yellow plus button, and then you have these different options like reaction video, Facebook moment, Instagram video, but you really do want to click on that YouTube vlog. Now the first thing you want to do is import your video, so you need to click on that pink plus button and start importing your video from your gallery. Now after you're done doing that, the first thing you want to do is start splitting your files. Now as content creators or just creators in general, it's very easy for us to make common mistakes while filming. So we need to split out the parts that we don't want to be included in our final video. Now if you guys have noticed, I did stretch out the video, that way I can cut out second by second of the video. Now I do take my time with this, watch the entire video back and forth until I get it to perfection. Now after I'm done splitting the files, you do want to delete the unwanted footage that you don't want to be included in your video. The next thing I'm going to do is add in text, and the best part about this app is that it does give you a variety of text options for you to choose, but in this video I really just want to use simple text. Now while editing, guys, you always need to remember that in order for you to keep your audience engaged, do add in some text here and there, that way you can highlight certain things that you really want to stand out to your audience. Now in this video, I really do want to emphasize the fact that this lipstick does contain 4.5 grams of product. So I've added that in. Now I really want to scale it to the particular part of the video that I want this text to pop up, because if I don't scale it, the text will show up right from the beginning of the video till the end of the video, which I don't really want. Now another example here is I am putting in the price as well. Now I've put in the price and I'm also scaling that in. So I'm going to quickly watch it so I can see whether everything's in check. And I've noticed that the price is in white, and I really want to change that to black. And I also want to reduce the sizing of that. So video yet again. Now the next thing I want to do is add in your social medias, which is super duper important. The first thing I want to indirectly tell my audience to do is subscribe. So I'm going to click on this text feature, and I'm also going to reduce the size of that and place it on below. I don't think it looks too good, so let me try placing that on the top maybe.
Yeah, I think it looks better over here. I really like how it looks here. And the next thing I feel like you should do is also add in your social medias. For me, Instagram is the most important social media platform that people can find me on because I'm very active there. So I really just want to add in my Instagram handle and also type in my name using that text feature. Now you're free to use whatever social media handles you want to add in, whether it be Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, completely fine. Now I do want to change this text to black because black is just going to make it pop, and I feel like I need to change the font as well. So I'm going to click on Anton because I feel like it makes it nice and bold, crisp and clear. I don't think anyone can miss out on my name or Instagram handle name. So yeah, this is perfect. I really like how this is turning out. The next thing you want to do is add in transitions, because ladies, gents, whenever you're creating a video, make sure that your video is entertaining or it's not boring in general. So adding transitions is the best way to make your video seem a little more interesting, you know. So I've clicked on the transition button, and these are the different types of transitions this app does have, which is wipe, dissolve, push left, push right. So I'm going to try this push right option, and I'm going to watch the entire thing right now so I can see exactly how it's going to look when I do add this feature. So let's keep watching and see. So what I'm going to do next is check out this other box footage just to see if I can add in another transition here. And okay, so I'm gonna add in another transition because this is the last bit where I'm talking before I start applying the lipstick. So I'm going to go in and I'm also gonna add in push again, and I'm gonna make it super fast so that it can really push out to the next footage really quickly. Let's see how this looks. Okay, it did a pretty good job. Now I like the fact that I'm applying the lipstick here. I do want to add in another transition, that way this can transition into me actually showing my audience the lipstick. So I'm going to click on that transition, and so over here I really want to click on dissolve, and I want to make it the fastest, that way it can dissolve into the part where I'm showing my audience the lipstick. Now here what I'm going to do is I'm going to make all the parts where I'm showing you guys the lipstick into the same transition. So I'm going to put in, and so I'm going to click on transition, and I'm going to click on dissolve, make it fast again. I'm going to repeat the same process until the part where I'm done with the entire video. So this is me playing the video yet again just to see how it looks in sequence, and I really like it. I think it looks good. So I need to add in one more transition to the clip, that way it can transition nicely. Okay, so now we have our video, which I really like. I think I'm loving it. Now for this one, I don't really want the transition, so I'm going to remove that real quick, and I'm going to add a transition here instead. Smoothly,
and I really like how this lipstick also applies and wears. With this lipstick, you don't need a lip liner, and that's the best part. Now when it comes to the formulation, this
Okay, so now that we've watched the entire video, we do want to add in music. So I'm going to click on this plus button, and it's going to take me to my phone library. Now, since I do not have any music on my phone, I'm going to quickly export this video and take it to iMovie. Now, just in case you have music on your phone, you can add in the music straight from your app itself. You don't need to export it or take it to any third-party app. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to separate the part where I want to add in music, and I'm going to click on the plus button and add in my song. Then what I'm going to do is change that to foreground, and that way I'll have a lot of space just to, you know, put the music anywhere I want to. Now, since I've placed it here, I'm just going to play the entire song. That way I can see wherein I want to start and stop the song. Okay, so right about here seems fine. So I'm going to quickly split that, or okay, I can't split it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to trim it to that particular place.
Now that we've edited the video, let's click on that video so we can see what we created. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Whitney here, and in this video I'm going to be talking about the lipstick from Maybelline Creamy Matte collection, and it looks like this. So before I jump straight into this review, let's roll in that intro. So I did pick up this lipstick and a few others because I loved how this looked and suited my skin tone. So this lipstick does contain 4.5 grams of product inside, and it also retails for 299 rupees. Now the lipstick does come in this bulletin mood right here, and it's super creamy. Just look at that swatch right there. It just glides on your skin so smoothly, and I really like how this lipstick also applies and wears. With this lipstick, you don't need a lip liner, and that's the best part. Now when it comes to the formulation, this lipstick does claim to be a matte lipstick, but it is a very creamy matte. So I would say like it's sort of like butter on toast. It just glides on your lips. So when you do have it on your lips, it doesn't look like a typical matte lipstick. It does leave a little bit of sheen and shine, which I'm not mad about. The only disadvantage about this lipstick is that it does transfer, but for a price of $2.99, I'm not complaining. It's a really good lipstick, really good pigmentation. And yeah, let's try it on now. So that was a pretty good video edit, wasn't it? Let me know in the comment section below what were your thoughts, and also while you're there in the comment section below, let me know whether you edit your videos on your phone or you use your laptop to edit. Do give this video a thumbs up in case you enjoyed it. That way I'll create more videos like this in this sequence. Also share this video to your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on that bell so you can be the first one to be notified every time I upload a new video, which is every Monday and Friday and occasionally on Wednesdays. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.